The 2026 Mazda Motorhome bus represents an unexpected but extraordinary evolution of the brand's design philosophy and technological ambition. Known primarily for its nimble sedans and SUVs, Mazda has leaped into the world of luxury recreational travel with a motorhome that is not only visually stunning, but deeply rooted in Japanese design tradition and forward-thinking engineering. This motorhome is not just another addition to the RV market, it's a mobile sanctuary, crafted for modern explorers who value elegance, innovation, and environmental responsibility. With the 2026 Mazda Motorhome bus, the brand has seamlessly blended the serenity of minimalism with cutting-edge performance and comfort, delivering an experience that redefines what it means to travel in style. The exterior of the 2026 Mazda Motorhome bus immediately distinguishes itself with flowing lines, soft curves, and sculptural balance inspired by Mazda's award-winning Kodo design language. Unlike traditional bulky RVs, this vehicle is aerodynamic and graceful, evoking the sense of movement even when stationary. The body is finished in a high-gloss ceramic silver with satin black accents, while the front fascia features a soft light bar that wraps seamlessly across the nose, integrating signature Mazda-style LED headlights with intelligent adaptive beam functionality. Large alloy wheels with integrated regenerative braking systems are tucked under elegantly arched fenders from every angle. The vehicle speaks a language of precision, simplicity, and intention. A full-length panoramic sunroof runs along the center of the roof, complemented by solar panels hidden beneath tinted glass. The exterior also features automatic side awnings, a retractable outdoor lounge deck, and ambient lighting that responds to both movement and weather conditions, turning the vehicle into a glowing sculpture after dark. Underneath its artistic shell lies a technological marvel. The Mazda Motorhome bus is powered by a hybrid rotary electric powertrain, a nod to Mazda's legacy with rotary engines. The dual rotor system functions primarily as a generator, charging an ultra-efficient 320 kilowatt-hour solid-state battery pack that drives dual electric motors, providing all-wheel drive. The system delivers smooth, quiet, and powerful performance, offering over 750 horsepower and a range of more than 600 miles. On a full charge with onboard generation, the drive experience is agile for a vehicle of this size, supported by Mazda's advanced Skyactiv vehicle dynamics control system, magnetic air suspension, and torque vectoring technology. It's an RV that responds like a touring car, with the added comfort of full self-driving capability through Mazda's new Level 4 autonomous system, allowing hands-free travel on highways and even light off-road routes. Step inside, and the experience transforms from automotive innovation to tranquil living space. The interior is a celebration of Japanese aesthetic principles: natural textures, open space, and soothing tones. Materials like bamboo, hand-stitched vegan leather, brushed copper, and recycled fiber composites create an inviting environment that feels more like a luxury home than a vehicle. Soft ambient lighting follows the curvature of the walls and ceiling, subtly adapting the time of day and mood. A fragrance system infuses the air with calming natural aromas like hinoki wood and green tea. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame every view as a moving landscape portrait, and smart electrochromic glass allows instant privacy or shading at the touch of a button. The living area is modular and multifunctional, optimized for comfort and versatility. The front cockpit features a retractable steering column and floating dashboard with full-width OLED display, serving as both a digital control panel and entertainment screen. The driver and co-driver seats rotate to face the lounge area once parked, creating a seamless social space. The lounge features a minimalist L-shaped sofa that converts into a reclining daybed or additional sleeping area. Hidden beneath the floor is a pop-up 65-inch 8K screen paired with a bespoke 3D spatial sound system. Designed in collaboration with Bose, whether it's movie night or a virtual conference, the experience is immersive and cinematic. Adjacent to the lounge is a refined kitchen space that merges high design with high function. It features a concealed induction stove, built-in smart oven, integrated refrigeration, a silent dishwasher, and a T-bar with temperature-precise water dispenser. All appliances are energy efficient and powered by solar or battery, and surfaces are antibacterial and self-cleaning. A minimalist dining table slides out from the side cabinetry, seating for comfortably. Smart inventory systems track ingredients, and suggest recipes based on available items, while voice and touch controls allow for full customization of meal settings, lighting, and sound. Toward the rear is the master suite, a private retreat that exemplifies balance and peace. The bed is a zero-gravity memory foam platform with a thermoregulating mattress and massaging functions. Overhead, a skylight aligns with the roof's panoramic glass, offering uninterrupted views of the sky. The rear wall is fitted with a handcrafted shoji screen that separates the bedroom from the smart dressing area, complete with fold-out wardrobes, a vanity with integrated lighting and skincare monitoring, and an air-purifying closet system that steams and refreshes garments. Everything in the bedroom is responsive to sleep cycles, movement, and voice commands, creating an environment that promotes rest and recovery no matter where you are. The bathroom is designed as a spa sanctuary. The walk-in rain shower uses recycled and purified water with customizable water pressure and temperature presets. The eco-friendly toilet is odor-neutralizing and requires no connection to sewage lines, using an advanced biocomposting system. The vanity area features smart mirrors with skin diagnostics, soft LED lighting, and heated surfaces for comfort. Mazda has even integrated a digital wellness assistant that monitors hydration, UV exposure, and air quality, offering tips throughout your journey for better health and balance. Connectivity and automation are seamlessly integrated into every element of the motorhome. A proprietary Mazda app allows remote control of climate, entertainment, energy levels, and security systems. 5G connectivity, satellite internet, and Starlink integration ensure constant communication, while voice AI provides natural, responsive interaction without requiring touchscreens. The vehicle is also equipped with environmental awareness systems, alerting you to changes in weather, wildlife movement, and available resources in off-grid areas. Safety is paramount, with the bus outfitted with advanced LiDAR and radar sensors, 360-degree surround vision, driver fatigue monitoring, biometric locks, and emergency remote override. A deployable drone system adds another layer of security and convenience, capable of scanning terrain or delivering small items from nearby vendors. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome bus will be released in limited quantities, with production centered at a newly established design studio in Hiroshima dedicated to experimental mobility projects. Buyers will have access to a full customization program including unique color palettes, themed interiors, and software personalization, starting at approximately $750,000. This vehicle targets sophisticated travelers, digital nomads, and those seeking a luxurious yet grounded way to experience the world. With the launch of this motorhome, Mazda has not only entered a new segment, it has elevated it. The 2026 Mazda Motorhome bus is more than just transportation, it is a living philosophy on wheels. Marrying engineering with emotion, travel with tranquility, and technology with tradition. It sets a new benchmark in mobile living and offers a glimpse into how tomorrow's vehicles will not only take us places, but help us feel more connected to the journey itself.